Hello बच्चों, I am Dr. Sachin Tripathi. Today I am discuss preparation of the alkyl halide. Preparation number 1 from alcohol. From alcohol. From alcohol. Alcohol ROH. It is alkyl group, it is hydroxyl group. It is called alcohol. Alcohol react with hydrogen halide at presence of ZnCl2 zinc chloride. Hydroxyl group, hydrogen converted of H2O, then form RX. RX is equal to alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. R is equal to methyl, ethyl, propyl. X is equal to chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogen group. Another example are methyl alcohol react with hydrogen chloride at ZnCl2, the zinc chloride. H2O reduced and methyl chloride formed. Number A. Number B. Alcohol, ethyl alcohol react with hydrogen bromide at presence of ZnCl2, then form water molecules and ethyl bromide. Here, ethyl bromide, methyl, chloride, bromide. Next, second preparation from alkenes and alkynes. From alkene and alkyne. When alkene react with hydrogen, then pi bond is weak, pi bond break and hydrogen add. So it is called the addition of hydrogen. CH2 change CH3, pi bond replace and sigma bond. It is formed for alkane. Same process are react with alcohol with phosphorus pentachloride. Number second में same process alkene react with HCl, halogen group, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Addition reaction, same process from alkane, pi bond weak, then reduce half pi bond and form sigma bond. Is called CH3, CH2 and chlorine. It is called ethyl chloride. Or alkyl. Alkyl represented 2 pi bonds. So 2 mole of the HCl are 1 mole of the HCl and 2 step form of the 2 carbon atoms. So it is called ethyl. Firstly, 1 pi bond break and 1 hydrogen add of the first carbon atom and second carbon atom. So it is called CH2CHCl. For example, addition of HCl, addition, so it is called vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Then further 1 pi bond present is called HCl. Pi bond is break and CH3 CH2, it is called the ethyl chloride. Same process, addition of hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide, but not form of the hydrogen, not reactive with the hydrogen chloride, because hydrogen chloride is the high electronegative atom. For example, CH2 1 2 3 कार्बन कंटेन कर लेंगे, HBr एडिशन रिएक्शन, Marconi of rule, representation of the less hydrogen atom react with bromine atom, any halogen atom, and more hydrogen present in the carbon atom is form hydrogen. So it two types of the product form. Firstly, CH1 bromine is represented of the second carbon atom because one hydrogen present, and CH2, it is called the Marconi-Karp rule. Anti-Marconi-Karp rule, CH3 CH2 hydrogen bromide. It is called the Marconi-Karp rule. It is called of the anti-Marconi-Karp rule. Another preparation from halogenation. हेलो में क्लोरो हो जाएगा, क्लोरोडिजिनेशन, ब्रोमेजाइजेशन, आयोडाइजेशन, और फ्रॉम एल्केन, firstly alkane are methane, chlorine react with HNO or sunlight. This reaction is called free radicals reaction because chlorine is the same atom to single bond attachments like Cl single bond 0. It is homogenetic condition form of chlorine radicals. Same types, methane. So it is called free radical reaction. Generally produce of the chlorine, reduce of the hydrogen chloride and form of the methyl chloride. One replacement of the HCl, hydrogen chloride, and form CH3Cl, methyl chloride. So this reaction is called the free radical reaction. Free radical reaction are replacement by hydrogen because presence of the sunlight. So this reaction is further chlorination of the methyl chloride and reduced HCl, so form is the methylene dichloride. Same here, chlorine add and HCl reduce. This forms CHCl3. It is called the chloroform. This is called chloroform. Chloroform further chlorination with the sunlight and reduce of the minus HCl hydrogen chloride, and the last product form is CCl4. It is called the carbon tetrachloride. This is called carbon tetrachloride. Same process of another process. Example: methane, ethane, C2H6, 6 step, because hydrogen is 6 stages form chlorination, bromination, but not form of the iodination, because iodination form is higher oxidizing agent, presence of the oxidizing agent, like aluminum fluoride, silver fluoride. The most oxidizing agent of silver fluoride. It is called the exchange halogens. For example, methyl chloride react with silver fluoride, so halogen replacement, HCl and methyl fluoride, CH3F plus silver fluoride. All the chloro and bromo derivatives, methane can be observed industrial of the property of reaction, reaction with the iodine in reversibility. Hydrogen iodide is oxidized into iodine, therefore residue reaction of does not take place. For example, methane react with iodine. Methane react with iodine. It is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction, one hydrogen replace of the hydrogen atom. It is called the hydrogen iodide and form methyl iodide. Physical property of the alkyl halide. Physical properties of alkyl halide. Methyl chloride, methyl bromide and ethyl chloride is gas. Lower alkyl halides are gases, but higher alkyl halides solid and liquid form. The melting points, the molecular mass of the alkyl halide higher than those present of the alkane. Therefore, melting and boiling point haloalkanes are much higher those produced of alkane. The boiling points of the increasing order of the methane, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. For example, fluorine is greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. solubility, it decreases in the order of alkyl fluoride, alkyl bromide, and alkyl iodide, because the longest carbon bonds of iodine breaks up the reed tree. So it is called a stability decreasing order of alkyl fluoride decreases less than alkyl fluoride, less than alkyl bromide, and alkyl iodide. The chemical property of the alkyl halide. Chemical property of the alkyl halides are nucleophilic substitution reaction is and reactivity of the haloalkanes depends upon the nucleophilic hydroxyl group, cyanide group, and can attack electron different carbon atom. For example, alkyl halide react with nucleophilic atom. Nucleophilic atoms, for example, halogen cyanide group, nitro group, another. So is attachments of the alkyl and reduce of the halides groups. For example, CS3 and halogen react with or nucleophilic attachments is called 1, 2, 3. Same here, and reduce of the X relative atoms, then form carbocation. Carbocation are first react with nucleophilic atom. So addition of the nucleophilic, so form 1, 2, 3 carbon atom and attachments of the nucleophilic. अजय तो सेट करो फिर
अभी देखते हैं फिर।